So what does it mean to schedule in a reliability partnership? Leslie Skelly here. Thanks again for joining me. In this video, let's discuss exactly what that entails and touch on some scheduling guidelines and principles. Consider the various dynamics and requirements that must be taken into account when you're creating a schedule. The changes in season, last minute rush orders, changes in customer demands, quality requirements, test runs, new product development, formulation changes, shift changeovers, and product changeovers. We also have to consider the completion of preventive maintenance at the right time. Will the parts be here on time as required? Will we schedule overtime on a scheduled work order if warranted? Are we keeping the customer in mind? And are we aligned on logistics and priorities? To balance all these, we must be all on the same page. In other words, working in a reliability partnership, agreeing on the same approach and processes. Optimizing work means that the maintenance schedule should be tailored to the operations needs, while necessary maintenance still needs to get done. So the strategy for scheduling maintenance must be agreed upon by all operating partners, realizing once again that scheduling is complex, difficult, and absolutely necessary, all at the same time. The same kind of principles that support good planning also support good scheduling. In planning, it's helpful for us to categorize work steps in 3 phases: before, during, and after. In scheduling, a similar thought process applies. Principles that we apply to schedules: all work is to have a defined start and finish time and personnel names assigned. We don't have infinite resources available to us, so we will match the work completion time requirements to our available resources to arrive at a workable sequence and time. We schedule the highest priority work first. We also allocate scarce resources. Some work requires special skills or equipment, while other work can be done by any number of tradespeople. We don't schedule work that isn't planned and acknowledge that some work doesn't have to be planned. For example, small maintenance jobs don't justify the preparation of formal work packages, and to provide good response should not follow the formal work scheduling procedures. The heads and tails of work is to be taken into account. There are always places to look for opportunities. A schedule is the supervisor's most useful tool. It ensures that the work gets done when it's supposed to be done. Examples of what we mean by the heads of work include preparing the tools, transporting tools, equipment, parts, and materials, organizing the workplace, reading and understanding the work package and the job, understanding and mitigating the work risks. The tails are such things as workplace cleanup, cleaning and returning tools to their origin, and disposing of parts and materials. We'll come back to this topic in the work execution videos. Planning and scheduling processes must support the production plan to ensure it is achieved. We must keep this in mind at all times while schedules are developed within our reliability partnership for maximum benefit to the organization. So market and process considerations may dictate a maintenance schedule which reduces maintenance effectiveness but maximizes the organization's benefits. Look for the next video in the scheduling series to learn more about work scheduling and how to improve the process within your organization. Add a comment and like the video. Check out IDCON.com for additional information. Thank you.